Is cracking your knuckles actually bad? Well, here's the deal. There is a lubricant-like substance called the synovial fluid, and it contains dissolved gases, mostly CO2. When you pull out your fingers, bubbles are formed, and when you crack your fingers, they pop, making that annoying sound. Is it harmful? Probably not. A researcher named Donald Unger put it to the test by cracking his knuckles on his left hand for 60 years, twice a day, and didn't touch his right hand. The result? Both felt the same. He neither got any arthritis. Follow for more videos.